guys, it's been a while since my last video. I have done a couple things to the Jeep, but today we're going to install a Hooke Road tailgate table, and I'm going to walk you through the process and tell you what I think. So here's what's in the package. The Hooke Road tailgate table looks very similar to the TerraFlex tailgate table. Comes with instructions and comes with screws and the nuts, and it comes with this template to punch your holes and make sure you punch them the right way. The tools needed are 2 bits, 1/8 inch bit and a 25/64 inch bit, and a drill, obviously, and then something to insert the nutsert with, and I chose the Smittybilt nutsert installation kit, and we're going to go from here. Alright, there you go. So, very similar to the TerraFlex one. TerraFlex is $250, $69 from Hooke Road. Does the purpose. The one stripped screw may need to replace, but other than that, my only other complaint is if you don't have a nutsert tool, they don't really tell you you need one until it shows up, or if they do, I missed it on the website. Anyway, pretty happy. Thanks guys, let you know how it works out on the trail.